Hi, I've never been up here before, and I'm sorry if I start to cry. Hello, Kent Denver community. My name is Sam, I'm a graduating senior, and my favorite color is purple. In autumn, I was sick with the flu, bad enough to where we visited the doctor. They checked for bronchitis via x-ray, and by luck, the doctor noted an abnormal arch in the back of my chest. On January 18th, 2023, the CAT scan showed a softball-sized tumor in my chest, directly behind my heart. After surgery, a PET scan, and another CAT scan, I was formally diagnosed with stage 2B lymphatic cancer, specifically Hodgkin's lymphoma. At first, I could only focus on the negatives. Any form of cancer in Americans under the age of 20 is so rare, there are only 15,000 diagnoses a year. Only 1,000 of these are Hodgkin's lymphoma. I questioned, why me? Why was I the one that had to be diagnosed with such a rare disease? But as I researched, I realized that although Hodgkin's is rare, it has a 90 to 95% survival rate for children my age at my stage. My attitude began to change the more I became level-headed and informed. Then I decided to do something I now know is vitally important: be vulnerable. I asked for help. I told people about my diagnosis unflinchingly because, unfortunately, it is a part of my identity now. And most importantly, the second I asked for help, every single person I know was by my side. Facing cancer head-on has and continues to make me a better person. The color purple is now a part of me, a facet of myself that proves I still have more to give to this world and that I will overcome this disease. My classmates who wear purple for me remind me of the incredible support system I never realized I had until now. And my purple cancer bracelet on my wrist reminds me every day that I need to cherish life because it is such an incredible thing that we often take for granted. Prior to my diagnosis, I never realized just how deeply my friends and family care for me, or how beautiful snow in Colorado is. Sorry. I never realized how cute my dog is when she jumps up and down, and how freeing it can be to just roll your windows down on the highway. While I'm sad to say cancer is what has inspired me to live my best life, I am happy for the change for the better. I think everyone needs a bit of purple in their lives. It doesn't matter if you find joy in cats or video games or cars. It just matters that you cherish what is around you and the great people who support you. Thank you to my friends for shaving and dyeing their hair in solidarity. Thank you to all of my classmates who stepped up to bring us food, presents, and wear purple every Tuesday. Thank you to my entire family who put their lives on hold to care for me. And thank you, Kent Denver, for giving me endless support.